Hello everyone, I'm Samia Hassan from the page Whiteboard, and today I'm going to explain the method of integration by parts. And let me write down the formula first. If I have integration of u dv, then the integration will be u into v minus integration of v du. Okay, so here how will we understand which one will be my u and which one will be my dv? So for that we have a certain order to follow, and if I write it, then it will be Liate, which is liate or liate, whatever you pronounce it as. So L is for logarithmic function, I is for inverse trigonometric functions, A is for algebraic function, T is for trigonometric functions, and E is for exponential functions. So in this list, which one is going to come at first? We are going to consider that as u, and the remaining part we are going to consider as dv. Okay, and if I give an example, we all know logarithmic function is like log 2x. Inverse trigonometric function is like sine inverse x. Algebraic function is like 2x. Trigonometric function is sine x, and exponential function is like e to the power x or 2 to the power x. So I have taken an example here. So for solving this example, at first let me write down my formula, which is integration of u into dv is equal to u into v minus integration of v du. Okay, so here I will have a u and I will have a dv. So which one will be my u and which one will be my dv in this problem? To find out this, we will have to follow this order. So in our question, we have one algebraic function and we have one trigonometric function. So according to this order, the algebraic function comes at first. So this will be my u. So here my u will be x, and sine x dx will be my dv. So my u is x and my du is dx. Okay, and my dv is sine x dx. So to find my v, I will have to integrate my dv, and if I integrate sine x dx, then I will get my v, and it is negative cos x. So my v is negative cos x. Okay, now if I follow this formula, then I will have to multiply u and v. So if I do that, I will have to multiply x with negative cos x, right? And then there will be a negative sign according to this formula, and then I will have integration of v du. So my v is negative cos x and my du is dx. Okay, and now from this part I can write it as minus x cos x, and then I can write it as plus integration of cos x dx. Now if I integrate cos x, I will have sin x. So from this part I will have sin x, and then I will have a constant c. So this will be my answer. Let me take another example, which is integration of x e to the power x dx. So here I will have a u and I will have a dv. So if I follow the Liate rule, then I have an algebraic function and then I have an exponential function. So as the algebraic function comes first, so my u will be x, so my du will be dx. So this will be my u and the remaining part will be my dv. So my dv will be e to the power x dx. So my v will be integration of e to the power x dx, which gives us e to the power x, right? Okay, so my v is e to the power x. Now according to my formula, which is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So according to this formula, I will have to multiply u and v, which is I will have to multiply x with e to the power x, and then I will have to put a negative sign, and then I will have to integrate v du. So my v is e to the power x and my du is dx. If I complete the integration, then I will have x e to the power x, and the integration of e to the power x gives us e to the power x, and then we will have a constant. If I take out e to the power x, then I will have x minus 1 plus c. So my answer is e to the power x into x minus 1 plus c.